Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create Instagram templates. So first things first, what you're going to do is you have to go to Canva. Here in Canva, you go to the search icon and then look for Instagram. You will see here options if you want to post this as story, reels, and you just have to simply look for its specific ratio or size. Wait for a couple of seconds and it will take you to the blank page. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to simply go to design and then look for a specific keyword for that. Let's just say I will be posting, or let's just say I will be using templates about nature. Now, I will select a picture right here and drag this to the blank page like this one. I'm going to adjust the title. Here, I'm going to add quotes or famous quotes here, and below is the author. This is what it looks like. Now, once you have your image here, what you're going to do is you have to go to apps. Take note that you can only do this if you are using the pro version of Canva. If you are using the basic version, I strongly suggest to upgrade your plan. Now, you can also change the color. You can add effects before we go to bulk create. So feel free to change the font, feel free to change the color. And once you're satisfied with everything and once you have added effects here on your Canva, what you're going to do is you just have to go to apps and then you have to look for bulk create or bulk. Tap this one right here. Tap on enter manually, but I strongly suggest to put this first, this famous lines, this famous codes, and the author into a Google Sheet so that it would be easier for you. Right now, I just have to copy it one by one. But again, I strongly suggest for you to do this using your Google Sheet or Excel. Now, once you're done, then you should see a result like this. You can now proceed by tapping create, wait for a couple of seconds, and then here all you have to do is to connect each. You have to click the title, connect data, and then you have to connect this to the codes, the first one here. And then for the code below, you have to tap this one, right click, connect data. This is for the second one. Then after that, you can now proceed, wait for a couple of seconds as it is creating book template. Generate design. And then after that, you can go to the folder. Now you should see something like this. And all you have to do is to just make a few edits. For example, by adjusting the size and adding some effects. And basically, this is how easy it is to both create Instagram templates. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.